something to think about. So when we are building a business online, we have to remember it's not going to happen overnight. There is going to be struggles. There are going to be days you're going to want to quit. But this is how I'm looking at it. I went to college and it took me 3 years to get my degree. And I just keep reflecting back on that because building a business and creating a lifestyle that I love, that's fun, it's exciting, it's going to allow me to do the things that I want to do, and it's going to allow me to work from anywhere, from my phone or a laptop. So I'm okay if it takes me a couple months, 4 months, 6 months, a year to really see success. But I know I'll be growing and learning during that time. And the income that I earn during that time, I can use to do things that I've been wanting to do that I put off because I don't have the extra income. So that's just something to think about, comparing it to going to college and getting a degree and working for someone else, or building your own business and working for yourself.